Today I will show you one of my experiment account. This I just started before a couple of months for a specific purpose. I will explain you everything about that and how I made profits in this. So let me take you directly to my trading account. Okay, so you are on screen, you are seeing my trading account. I have intentionally hidden the name of scripts. Okay, and what you can see here is what all trades I took and what all profits I made. Now this is a very simple system. I have for this trading account I used 10 lakh rupees, and each position I will invest 50,000 rupees, so maximum I can have 20 positions. This is equity only trading. Okay, this I recently, before couple of months I started this. My actual main trading will be in derivatives, and that too in options. Before couple of months, when I decided that I have to start, or I will start a YouTube channel, then I have started this experiment. Now why I did it, I'll explain in a few minutes. Before that I will just show you this. Okay, just notice that there are many profits. When you see profits, you will see big profits. Okay, and now just notice these profits. This is 21,000, 15,000, or 16,000, 23,000, 19,000. These, each of these are on investment of 50,000 rupees only, and that too within 1 month. This is say 18,000, 16,000. This is 29,000. I'll just scroll it down for you. So in this account, within 1 month, I made approximately 2,33,000 rupees. Okay, here you can see current value. Current value of this account is 12,19,000. Okay, and the investment value was less than 10 lakh. So from profit you can calculate it. Say 2,33,000 is a profit. So the investment was approximately less than 10 lakh. It was 9 lakh 85,000 something. Okay, and just try to notice that my losses are very small. This loss or this loss is small. This profit, see my profits, they're big. Okay, and this is equity only, long portfolio, and this is 1 month. I'll just show you the evidence of that also. Okay, now I'll take you to my P&L. 1 second. See, this is a console. So earlier it was experiment account, and I was doing this small experiments in this account. I was not trading using this account. I started at March start. I have started this equity trading in this account. Now here in this region, March, April, you are seeing too many red boxes, right? But I will show you the reality. Okay. Okay, let me clear this, and we'll start with what happened in March. So this March first profit. See, this is not for individual positions. Okay, actually many of my positions may show exit criteria on same day, so I may exit. So in month of March, one day I booked profit of 85,000. I will note down it. Okay, So here I have booked 85k. Then next day I booked a loss, and see, and this loss is of 2000. So this is minus, so this is minus 2k loss. Next day I booked profit, and this is profit of 88,000 approximately, and this is 88,000, this is 88,000 profit. After that I booked two losses, and this is one, that is 11,000, and this is 10,000, so total 21,000 loss. So now this is 21k loss. So this is what has happened in March. Okay, and if I sum this everything, then total 23,000 loss and 1,73,000 profit, 173k profit and 23k loss. So it is 1,50,000 rupees, 150k. So this is the profit I earned in March. I invested 10 lakh, I took out 1,50,000. Next month I'll just clear everything. Okay. Next, in April I booked some losses. So this first loss is approximately 6,500. Second loss is 500, so it is 7,000. Then this is 8,000 loss, so 7,000 plus 8,000 is 15,000 loss. Then another 8,000, so 23,000 loss. And this one loss is this 3,500. So our earlier loss was 23,000 plus this 27,500. Okay, and there is one profit of 6,000. So approximately I lost 21,000. Okay, in the month of April I lost 21k. This is booked. This is what all my stop losses hit. All these are my stop losses which are hit, or the exit criteria which is hit. Okay, and in early May I have this couple of things. One is I earned 10,500 profit, and this is 6,000 loss. So this is approximately again 4,000 plus profit. Okay, so I'll just write 4,000 here, 4k. So this is 17k loss. Okay, this is what I booked, 17k. But what is outstanding which is not yet booked, that I already showed you. And that is 2,33,000. Here at the bottom you can see this one, which is yet I have to book, because exit criteria not yet come, so I did not book it yet. Soon it will come. So if I subtract that 17,000 loss from this one, then also approximately I earn 2,15,000 plus 2,16,000. Okay. So 2,16,000 216k. That is my profit for the month of April. Now I have showed this to you, and I will quickly explain you few things. Okay, because my purpose of creating this video is not sorry, is not to show you my profits or loss, because this is just my small experiment account. My actual trading happen in options, and I never want to show my profits or MTMs to anybody. But why I am doing this? There are some reasons. First reason is, I always keep telling to many people, and many people specifically who are new to share market, who have newly started trading, that trade in equity, trade in equity, trade in equity, because it's less risky. And people keep telling me that no, actual money is in derivatives trading. You cannot earn in equities. And I wanted to show that if your system, see, all these trades are taken using proper system. Whenever entry signal came, I went and bought. Whenever exit system came, I went on and sold it. That's it. It was clearly a defined system. Not a single one here was discretionary trade. Okay, so first thing I wanted to show that in equity trading you can earn money. See, in 2 months, in April, it was approximately 15% profit, right? This month it is approximately 22% profit, right? Actually, the professional traders are happy with 4-5% per month. But in equity, what we are earning here is 15%, 22%. Now, you will say that this profit is because market is up. No, this is profit in the month of March and April, when Nifty is not going up, Nifty is coming down, and this is long only trading. Okay, all the positions which are taken here are only long. What is long position? Only on buy side, only on upside. Okay, it's like these stocks are bought to sell later. So if price of the stock goes up, then only I earn. Means this is long only trading, and during these 2 months Nifty was coming down. Okay, let me show you the chart. It's actually good to show the charts. Okay, I will just remove this so it will show some clear. Okay, it will clearly show, right? See, from mid-February, from this point, from mid-February here, say from this 14th February, this last 2-3 months, what Nifty is doing? Nifty is coming down, but my long only trading in equities, not in derivatives, because in derivatives or in options you can earn both sides. If your market goes down, you can earn. Market goes up, you can earn based on whatever position you took. But this is long only equity trading, and I want to prove that you can make money in long only equity, even if market is coming down, if your selection is correct, if your system is correct. Second important thing is, see, I am creating these videos where I am telling many things to people, and here I want to establish some authority, because people should not think that who is this guy, he's coming and telling something, and why should you listen to me? You should know something about me, right? So the purpose is at least establish some authority, that okay, this guy is actually making money. See, even I don't want to tell you that what I actually make in my actual trading positions. This is just equity. This is experimental account, and I am just showing you what I made it here, and this is enough for you to trust what I am preaching here. Otherwise, there are many people in market who have opened these shops of knowledge. ज्ञान की दुकानें खोल के बहुत लोग बैठे हुए हैं, and I just don't want to preach without showing you that I personally follow this, and then only I try to teach. Okay. Next important thing is why I showed this account and not my actual trading options. See, many people earn huge. There are even traders who earn crores of rupees in a day. Okay, but if I show you some big profits, or when there are some people who earn big, they put screenshots. There are some people who do frauds also. They manipulate the screens and do something and show you some wrong profits and MTMs. But there are genuine people I know that they earn big, but they put that screenshots on YouTube or Twitter or anywhere, because they're happy. People is happy. People want to tell the world that, see, I earned. Nothing bad. But see, it has a very wrong impact on new traders or beginners, or many times even the traders who are good, they have certain like knowledge, or they do it for 2, 3, 4 years. They also get influenced by these screenshots, because when you see big profits of others, then greed starts playing, and greed is never good. Once greed overpowers you, you make mistakes. See, 99% traders, when they lose money in the market, the reason behind that is greed and fear. Or even investors also. Greed and fear are very bad beasts. Okay, and I don't want to put my viewers or my subscribers into that greed. Here I just want to prove that yes, this can be done. Okay, that's why I am not showing you big profits. Here I want to send some message to you. My purpose of creating this message is not to show you that, see how what I earn. My purpose of showing this to you is how to earn and how you can do this. Okay, I want to motivate you to earn, but I don't want you to be greedy. See, this account is 10 lakh rupees. I have put it in here, and then I did this equity trading. If you are you come with 2 lakh rupees in the market, you can have your position. You can take positions with 20,000 rupees. Then also you can take 10 positions. You can define rule and do that. But then you don't expect that you will earn 2 lakh rupees double in a month. If you do that, then see, if you have unrealistic expectations, then and those are not fulfilled, then you will suffer. You will emotionally suffer. Okay, and you will make mistakes. Right? That's why this is just a representation that, okay, even if Nifty is going down, equity only long portfolio can make money with proper trading plan, with proper rules and everything. Here I want to motivate you. Okay. Next important thing is, as this is equity only long portfolio, not a single rupee leverage is used, because people think that if you have big leverage, if you use big leverage, you earn big. No, this profit, whatever 15% in March and 22% in April that I am earning is not because of leverage. It is zero leverage. Okay, this is zero, absolutely zero leverage. No leverage is used. This is clean equity trading positions. Okay. Next is, okay, if you have gone through all that positions, then you will understand one thing, that my profits were bigger and my losses were small. Okay, and some of the losses which I booked, that I already showed you. See, there is only one thing in your control in trading, and that is your losses. So you have to control your losses. You cannot control your profit. They will run, they will give you money, but losses you have to control. You should have strict rule that, okay, this condition fails or satisfies, whatever, you are out of the trade. And what you have seen in that my positions is, my profits were big, my losses were small. Okay, now and also don't expect this 15 or 22% returns also per month, because 4-5% returns are good enough. Okay, if you have 10 lakh rupees for your trading, and if you are earning 40,000 or 50,000 per month, it's very good. Okay, now sometime it may happen that I earn 15% in March, now 22%. Next some month will come when I will earn only 2%. That also can happen. Okay, because trading will never give you linear returns. Sometimes you will get good profits, sometimes you will get less profits, sometimes you will get loss also. For that also you have to be ready, but you should not leave your system. If you stick to your system, you earn good. Okay, so happy learning, keep learning, keep trading, and I hope all of you earn good profit in your trading endeavor, and you can trade equity without leverage and earn profits. That's what I wanted to emphasize again and again. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, then please like it, and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel, that is the Quest for Alpha. And if you have any questions, then comment on this video. I will try to answer each one of your questions. Thank you very much for now, and goodbye.